The Prime Minister will be addressing the nation at 8 p.m. This evening. Remember, this comes even as we're waiting to know what happens after the 17th, whether the lockdown will be extended or what sort of restrictions will remain, though it does seem that the lockdown will remain in those places that are the worst affected. The Prime Minister interacted with Chief Ministers yesterday and also took their view on this issue, and it did seem that that a lot of the decisions would be left to the Chief Minister. Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu now for more. So, Sunil, the Prime Minister, we were waiting for this. The Prime Minister will be addressing the nation today evening at 8.
That's right, Gargi. This will be one of the many, earlier decisions of the Prime Minister to address the nation. This I forget the count, probably the fourth or the fifth occasion now for the Prime Minister to speak and address the nation. As we indicated last night, there would be an address to the nation, except that it's been preponed days earlier because he's asked the chief ministers to give in their suggestions on various aspects of the lockdown, on how to go forward. But definitely it's in that context that the Prime Minister will be taking the people into confidence to address their concerns, to once again tell them how important it is with a pre-corona and a post-corona world, and what exactly needs to be done, how we'll need to live with social distancing, keeping 2 meters apart, and ensuring that life is not going to be the same once again. But definitely the Prime Minister to address the nation, to really, as I said, after speaking to Chief Ministers yesterday and indicating that there will be an extension of the lockdown, but of course with a lot of relaxations. There are a number of issues which state chief ministers had raised yesterday: economic package, the exit policy, as well as, of course, the most important aspect of the classification of the zones. So hopefully we would hear from the Prime Minister on a number of issues vis-a-vis the lockdown, which is likely to be extended, but of course with a lot of relaxations, and basically taking the people of this country into confidence about the need to be and understand that this is a public health emergency. Social distancing needs to be taken care of, and if we have to fight this war, we all must be together unitedly in ensuring that they are able to defeat this deadly virus.